So hello friends and welcome to Digimento. So let's start today's discussion. So we were taking up the last 10 years question paper from Unit 10, that is Higher Education System. So let's continue, and if you are attending the classes, let me know in the comment section so that we can quickly start the session and take up the questions. So I hope you had a very good weekend, and I hope you have also studied very well in the weekend. So let's start. Hi Lipika, good evening. So others also, if you have joined the class, let me know in the comment section. Okay. So let's start. And this is our channel, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, and also please do not forget to press the bell icon. So please press the bell icon as well, and for receiving the notifications. And if you are preparing for GATE, NTA, UGC NET or PGT Computer Science, you can visit our website. We are providing online classes for the same. So we are providing you classes for the same. You can visit our website, that is www.digimento.com, or you can call to this number for getting more details about the classes that we provide. So this is the website and this is the number. Okay. Hi Rajan. Hi, good evening. Welcome. Now let's take up the questions, but I want at least 4 or 5 people to comment and join the class so that we can start with the questions. Otherwise, since this is question answer session or question discussion, I don't want anybody to miss. So I think we will wait for like 2-3 people more to join. Chandrasekhar Verma, hi Chandrasekhar, good evening, how are you? And Lipika, first question, what's the meaning of flagship? Flagship means the most important, or for which the government has given so much of importance. So that is flagship. Okay. Okay. So I want a few more to join. Hi Lab Singh, hello and welcome. So I think we will start now. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 people. So I hope others will join by that time. So Pooja has also joined. Good evening Pooja. Chandrasekhar has commented, I'm good and thank you for your support. Thank you Chandrasekhar. And Sumati, yes, Sumati has also come. So now we will start, okay? So all these questions we have discussed. Okay. Yeah, I think this is where we stopped. 1 rupee currency note in India. So we will start from here. Okay. So hi Vanaja, welcome. So this is the first question that we will take up today. So on the first list, you are given certain names of committees and commissions, and you have to find out in which year they were set up. Now, this is my personal comment on this. Such type of questions are little bit difficult because remembering the year and all, it's very difficult, especially because you are not from this background. Now, again, this question was asked in 2011, but in the recent years, what I have observed, the recent trends that we have seen is that such type of very, very factual questions are very less. So, you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Anyway, let's try to answer this question. Anyways, first Administrative Reforms Commission, that is the first ARC. Second one, Appleby Committee, that is Paul H. Appleby Committee. Then K. Shantanam Committee, second ARC, that is the second Administrative Reforms Commission. So these are the committees and the commissions given. Now you have to find out which year. Even if you ask me, it's very confusing for me, but you can just give a try and understand. Bibin is asking which subject. Bibin, we are discussing paper 1 unit 10, higher education system in India. So if you want to give a try, you can just definitely give a try. Okay. uh, and one thing is that one committee, I'm sure about the date, so that will give me, the answer. So if you are sure about any one of them, you can find the answer. So I will suggest you to try this question. So Gajalakshmi B, okay. B, okay. Okay. Then C, Senthil, okay. Yeah, then Rajan has commented A is 3, okay. And Rajan has gone for B. So I'm sure you are quite confused with B and C, and the reason is that many of you must be knowing that second ARC, this was in 2005, because this is the latest. So with that clue you will reach at B or C. So I am sure you are confused between B and C, okay. So let's see what is the answer. Okay, the answer is B. So we know that the second ARC, so this was one clue that I think most of you had. So second ARC was in the year 2005. This is the latest. Now in most of the cases, at least if you know one among them, you can find the answer. But here it was a little confusing in the sense that there were two options with the same. Okay, so the answer is the first administrative tribunal. It was set up in 1966. The Apple Pie Committee, it was set up in 1953. Then K. Shantanam Committee was set up in 1962. And the second ARC was set up in 2005. So this is the order. So B is the right answer. So at least remember about the second ARC. It was in 2005. Okay. Next, constitutionally, the registration and recognition of political parties is a function performed by whom? So, constitutionally, which means that as per the constitution or as per the provisions of the constitution. So, it's mentioned in the constitution that the registration and recognition of the political parties in India, the function of recognizing and registering. So, recognizing and registering the political parties in India, this is the function performed by whom? So options are State Election Commission of respective states, then the Law Ministry of Government of India, the Election Commission of India, the Election Department of the state governments. So this is the question, and I expect all of you to answer this question because we have, okay, this is just a clue and I'm sure this clue will definitely help you find the answer. So this is a topic which we discussed in the class. Okay. Okay. Pooja has gone for B, the law ministry. Vanaja has gone for C. So I want others also to answer this question. C, okay. Any other answers? C, okay. So most of you have gone for C and a few for B. Okay, I think we will see the answer now. Okay, so Pooja, you have changed to C. Okay, let's see which is the answer. C is the answer, Election Commission of India. So Election Commission of India, even though it works at the national level, even though it's a union body or it works at the national level, it is responsible for conducting the elections at the state level. So state level conduct of elections, and also it is also responsible for recognition and registration of political parties. Okay, now I'll also tell you why state election commission is not the answer, because the sole purpose or the only purpose of the state election commission is to conduct the election to the local bodies. So conducting election to the local bodies. So what are the local bodies? Municipalities and the panchayats. So municipalities and panchayats are the local bodies. Okay. So this is with regard to election commission. Next question. The members of Gram Sabha. So who are the members of Gram Sabha? This is a very important question. Even though, see, this is not just a question from polity, but as an informed citizen, you all should know, you all should be aware about this, like who are the members of a Gram Sabha. So options are, first option, Sarpanch, Upasarpanch and all elected panchs. Second one, Sarpanch, Upasarpanch and village level worker. Sarpanch, Gram Sevak and elected panchs. And D option is registered voters of a village panchayat. So who are the members of a Gram Sabha? So I want everyone to answer this question because it's very simple, and this question needs to be attempted. So everyone should answer for this question. Puri DDD. Okay. Hi Nazrina, good evening. So Gajalakshmi has commented C. Okay. Vanaja D, Lipika C. Okay. Any other answers? A, C. Okay. Okay. So is there any other answers coming up from your side? Sarpanch. You're asking me who is a Sarpanch. Sarpanch is the village authority. Village officer. Sarpanch. Pooja B. Okay. Think. I want everyone to answer this. Okay. So where are the others? Okay, so let's see the answer. You will be surprised to see the answer. I'm sure about it. The answer is D. So every registered voter of a village panchayat is a member of the Gram Sabha, which means you and me all are members of a Gram Sabha. And the most pathetic fact is that nobody attends the Gram Sabha meetings. So it's a Sumati, it's VAO. Okay. VO, village officer, I think. I'll just check it. Okay. So members of Gram Sabha, every adult member or anybody above the age of 18 years and whose name is enrolled in the voters list. Okay, they are the members of the Gram Sabha. Okay, now regarding this, so regarding the membership in Gram Sabha, you and me, everyone are members, and Gram Sabha is responsible to take the decisions regarding the Gram Panchayat. But unfortunately, most of them do not attend the Gram Sabha meetings. So registered voters of every village Panchayat are members of the Gram Sabha. Now, Indian Institute of Advanced Study is located in Dharmshala, Shimla, Solan, Chandigarh. So this is the question. Indian Institute of Advanced Study. It is located in which place? So Dharmshala, Shimla, Solan, Chandigarh. B. Okay, B option. Let's see. So Vanaja has commented B. Any other options? Any other guess? So anybody wants to support Vanja or against Sumati A, Divya D, Rajan B. Okay. Let's see. Puvidi Shimla B. Okay. Gajalakshmi B. Kaushalya B. So let's check the answer. Because it's a factual question, I don't think there is so much to think about it. Answer is B, Shimla. So Indian Institute of Advanced Study, it's located in Shimla. Shivani Pooja, okay, B. Next question. Indicate the number of regional offices of NCT, National Council of Teacher Education. So earlier we had seen a question, the regional offices of UGC. So it is NCT, National Council of Teacher Education. How many regional centers are there? Okay. Six. Okay. Any other answers? A, 4. Okay. Gajalakshmi has gone for 4. Sumati has gone for 8. Lipika C. B. Okay. So you have to find out how many regional offices are there. B. Okay. Okay. So I think we will go to the answer directly because there is no scope for further scrutiny. So answer is 4. So there are 4 regional offices. Please be aware about all these because we have seen repeated questions asking about the regional offices. If you can remember, well and good. Okay, don't put too much stress to remember all that. So there are 4 regional offices for NCTE. Let's see where are they. So one is in Jaipur, which is in Rajasthan. Then we have one in Bangalore. Now it's Bengaluru, which is in Karnataka. Jaipur in Rajasthan. Then we have one in Bhubaneswar in Odisha. Then we have one in Bhopal. Bhopal is in Madhya Pradesh. So these are the regional offices. Okay. Regional offices of NCT, National Council of Teacher Education. Okay. Now, which of the following rights was considered the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? So this is a very interesting question. I think you can apply your logic here because see, which is the most important among all these? So that will be definitely the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution. So you have to find out which one among these four are the most important. So which one is the most important? So that will give you the right answer. So you are given options, answer options: freedom of speech, right to equality, right to freedom of religion, and right to constitutional remedies. So these are the four options given to you. So you have to find which one is the correct. So Sumati has commented B, Divya C, Gajalakshmi C. So which one is the most important one? Which one is the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Take a while and then you think about it very well, because all of you know the answer, but it's just that you will be pushing in some answers because you just want to comment. But then put your brain into it, then you will definitely get the answer. Think which one will be the most important. Rajan has commented D, Nazrina C, Gajalakshmi C. Rajan, why did you change to C? Rajan D, Manaja B. Okay. Let's check who gets right. Okay, Shivani D. Lipika B. Pooja B. Senthil A. Okay. So shall we check the answer? You will be again surprised to see the answer. Answer is D. Right to constitutional remedies. I'll tell you why it is the most important fundamental right, or which why it is called the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution. See, all the others, they are fundamental rights. I mean, four of them, all of them are fundamental rights. Okay, so fundamental rights. Now, what does the right to constitutional remedy mean? Which means that if the state or the government, if the state denies you any right, so if the state denies you any right, then you can go to the court of law. So you can go to the court of law, you can approach the court of law to get it done. So this is constitutional remedy. The constitution is providing some remedies in case you are not given your rights. So you exercise certain rights, and if the rights are denied to you, the constitution is giving you some remedies. Now I have told you when I taught you fundamental rights that the article 32, so article 32, which talks about the right to constitutional remedies, I told you that this is the most important article. Why? Because if you are not given remedy, then how the rights can be implemented? See, the constitution, suppose the constitution is giving you n number of rights, and the constitution is not giving you any solution if the rights are not implemented, then what will you do with the rights? You have certain rights, but you cannot enjoy it because you cannot legally enforce them. So right to constitutional remedies is the heart and soul of the constitution, because if article 32 is not there, if there is no right to constitutional remedies, then all the rights which are given to you, the practical application of the rights is null and void. You cannot apply the rights in your life. Okay, so that is why article 32, or the right to constitutional remedies, forms the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution. Okay. Who among the following created the office of district collector in India? So the post of district collector or district magistrate, who has created the post of district collector in India? Lord Cornwallis, Warren Hastings, Royal Commission on Decentralization, or Sir Charles Metcalfe? So who has created the post of district collector or district magistrate? A. Cornwallis. Okay. Vanaja has gone for A. Senthil B, Lapsing B, Lipika D, Sumati B, Gajalakshmi B. Okay. So let's see the answer. Answer is B, Warren Hastings. Now do not confuse between Cornwallis and Warren Hastings, because Cornwallis is the father of civil services. So Cornwallis is the father of civil services in India. But Warren Hastings is the person who created the post of district collector in India. This is the answer. Now let's check the next question. Fundamental duties of a citizen include. So we have discussed about the fundamental duties, and if you remember, we also discussed about the list of fundamental duties mentioned in the Constitution. So here 4 options are given. You have to find out which one is the fundamental duty of a citizen. Respect for the Constitution, the national flag and the national anthem. Then to develop the scientific temper, respect for the government, and the to protect the wildlife. So these are the options given, and okay, Pooja has commented B. It's very easy. You have to just eliminate one option, you will get the answer. Okay, you have to only eliminate one option from the given options. You can use the elimination technique, and then you will get the answer. Okay, Rajan has gone for A, Lapsing has gone for B. Okay. Okay, Vanuja B. Any other answers coming up? B. Okay, all of you have gone for one. B. Okay, B is the answer. Why? Because the third option, respect for the government, is not mentioned in the fundamental duty. But you have to respect the constitution. That is mentioned. So, respect for constitution is there, but not the government. Okay. Now, I'll give you an example. In social media or anywhere, you have the freedom to criticize government. You have the freedom to make mockery of the government. So, you will see some cartoons and also anything can be done. There are trolls. So, anything is there. So, respect for government is not a fundamental duty. But respect for the constitution is a fundamental duty. Hi, Sukumar. Hi, welcome. Okay, so we were discussing the question, Sukumar. You can join us now. Now let's see the next question, okay? Shazia Farhat, good evening ma'am. Will you please provide your email ID? I have to ask something related to my studies. Yeah, I'll just put it in the comment section. You can get it, okay? Sukumar ma'am, is this paper 1? Yes. Yes, this is paper one. And explain the meaning of scientific temper. Okay, definitely. I'll explain that. And now I'll be putting the email ID also. Okay, so you can write it. joicyzia@gmail.com. This is my email ID. Anybody you can mail me. Okay, joicyzia@gmail.com. Okay. Now, Lipika, coming to your comment, scientific temper means use of science or logic in order to question certain things or like observe certain things, etc. Okay, so this is scientific temper. So, scientific temper means application of logic. So, that is scientific temper. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. Now, okay. Okay. Let's go to the next question. The President of India takes oath. So, what is the oath of the President of India regarding? To uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, to bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, to uphold the Constitution and laws of the country, to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution and law of the country. So, which one is the oath of the President? So, which one among them is the oath of the President? B. Abinsha has commented B. Radha, hi Radha. Vigila, B. So Das has commented D. Rajan D. Okay. Let's see. Any answers? Any other answers? Lapsing 9A. Okay. Lipika D. Sukumar D. Vanaja D, Sumati D. Okay, I'll go with the majority. So answer is D. So President of India takes an oath in order to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and law of the country. Okay, to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and law of the country. Okay, next, India has the highest number of students in colleges after. So from the given options, so India has the largest number of students in the colleges after which country? The UK, United Kingdom, the USA, United States of America, the Australia and Canada. So which one? Abinsha B, Vigila D, Sukumar A. Okay. B, okay. D, A, okay. No idea. A, B, okay. B. Okay, let's check the answer. The answer is B, United States of America. Now, this question was asked in the year 2012. Okay, in the year 2012, this question was asked, and at that time in 2012, After USA, India had the highest number of college students. Now India is in the third position. Now first is the US, then next is China, and then we have India. Okay, so US, China and India. Now the rank of India is third. Okay, so this is regarding the number of colleges and also the number of students. Okay, let's move on to the Abinsha. What is the order? First is US, so first is US, then China, next is India. Okay, third position. India has the third position. Okay, now let's come to the next question. Now, which of the following statements is are not correct? Again, you have to check that whether the question is asking about not correct or not. So, are not correct about the Attorney General of India. So, AG, Attorney General. The President appoints a person who is qualified to be a judge of the High Court to be the Attorney General of India. He has the right of audience in all courts of the country. He has the right to take part in proceedings of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. He has a fixed tenure. So, which one is the correct option? Abhinja has commented A, 1 and 4. So the question is about incorrect statements. Okay, you have to remember that incorrect statements are asked. So A. Okay. So yes, answer is 1 and 4. Let's check. Okay, answer is 1 and 4, which means that the Attorney General does not have a fixed tenure. So, the tenure of the Attorney General is not fixed. And secondly, the President appoints a person who is not qualified to be a High Court judge but a Supreme Court judge. If you remember, we have discussed this in the class. So, a person who is qualified to be a judge of the Supreme Court is appointed as the Attorney General of India, and he does not have a fixed tenure. Now, Abinsha, ma'am, where are you in Kerala? Basically, I'm from Kottayam in Kerala, but right now I'm settled in Trivandrum, but my hometown is Kottayam. Okay, so Anup Yadav has commented C, Gunjan has commented A, and Das has commented B. Das, I think you might have not noticed the not, okay, not correct. I think that's why you made the mistake. Abinsha from Supreme Court. Yes, Abinsha. So, President has to appoint a person who has to be qualified enough to be a judge of the Supreme Court. Next question. Which of the following can be done under the conditions of financial emergency? So, this question is about financial emergency, Article 360. So, Article 360 of the Constitution, which deals with the financial emergency. State legislative assemblies can be abolished. Now, central government can acquire control over the budget and expenditure of the states. Salaries of the judges of high courts and supreme courts can be reduced. Right to constitutional remedies can be suspended. Okay, so which can be done under the condition of a financial emergency. Okay, this is the question. Now, please read the question very carefully and find out the right answer. Okay. Shazia, thank you so much for sharing your email ID. My pleasure. No issues. Puviri has commented A. Pooja has commented A. Okay, let's check the answer. I'll give you a clue here. So, financial emergency is related to finances. It has nothing to do with the security of a country or anything. It is regarding the finances. So, I think now you can get the answer easily. Sukumar is asking me, ma'am, when will be the paper 2 CS questions, computer science? I'll have to check it once with the team because I am not handling paper 2. So, I'll have to check it and I'll let you know. Okay. So, all are going for A. Okay. Lipika also A. Mustafa A. Gajalakshmi has gone for A, Abinsha has gone for A. I don't know what made you think it's A. The answer is D. Because, see, the financial emergency is only concerned about the finances of the country. So, one state legislative assemblies can be abolished. Why state legislature has to be abolished? If there is a threat to the security. So, okay, only then it can be done. Then central government can acquire control over the budget because it's related to finance. Salaries of the judges can be reduced, it's related to finance. Constitutional remedies, why it should be suspended? So answer is 2 and 3. So Sukumar, sorry ma'am, okay ma'am, thank you. No issue, Sukumar. I'll just check it with the team and let you know. Okay, don't worry. We will be taking up the CS questions as well. Definitely, we will cover the previous year questions. Don't worry about that. So, with this, we will conclude today, and tomorrow we will continue with the discussion. And meanwhile, I'm also planning to take up RM, research methodology, maybe 2 days questions and 2 days research methodology, because we need to finish research methodology also before the exam. So we will plan accordingly, no issues. So everyone do take care, and I'll see you tomorrow the same time, 8 o'clock. So bye bye, take care.